Right now, hidden beneath the frozen skies of Scandinavia, a quiet revolution is unfolding. Sweden, a nation better known for IKEA and meatballs, is secretly building something that's making Pentagon analysts lose sleep. A stealth fighter so advanced, so silent, it could rewrite the rules of air combat. No flashy announcements, no leaks, no hype. Just pure engineering ambition. And what they're building might change everything. Welcome to Aviation Heights, the channel where we uncover the world's most secretive aviation projects and hidden defense breakthroughs. Today, we're diving deep into Sweden's mysterious flag system 2020, a sixth-generation stealth fighter quietly redefining what air dominance will mean in the next decade. If you believe small nations can outsmart global superpowers through pure innovation, type PROUD in the comments. And let's celebrate the power of smart engineering. When most people think of cutting-edge fighter jet, Sweden isn't the first name that comes to mind. We think of America's F-22, China's J-35, or Russia's Su-57. Yet, behind the scenes, this small Nordic nation, with a population smaller than Los Angeles, has a population of 150,000 Angeles County, is quietly developing a machine that has global defense experts taking notes. For decades, Sweden has built efficient, affordable aircraft like the legendary Gripen. But this time, they're not aiming for balance. They're aiming for complete domination. In 2024, Sweden officially joined NATO, a move that changed its defense priorities overnight. Suddenly, this peaceful nation found itself on the front lines of a new Cold War, staring directly across the Baltic Sea at Russia. The Swedish Air Force knew that the reliable Gripen, though brilliant, wouldn't survive the battlefields of the 2030s. They needed something revolutionary, a fighter born for stealth, speed, and AI-driven warfare. That's where Flag System 2020 entered the picture, Sweden's bold leap into sixth-generation air dominance. In October 2025, Sweden's Defense Materiel Administration awarded Saab a contract worth 2.66 billion Swedish kroner, roughly $276 million, to advance the Flag System 2020 program. The plan is bold but focused. Design drawings by late 2025, a flying demonstrator by 2027, and full-scale production approval by 2030. If all goes as planned, by 2035, Sweden's sixth-generation fighters will dominate the icy Nordic skies. So, what truly makes a fighter jet sixth generation? It's not just about speed or stealth. It's about evolution across every dimension of warfare. The Flag System 2020 is designed around three defining pillars. First, stealth, but on an entirely new level. Its materials absorb radar waves across multiple frequencies, minimize heat signatures, and silence engine noise to stay invisible in infrared and acoustic detection. Second, artificial intelligence integration, not autopilot, but an intelligent digital co-pilot capable of reading the battlefield, analyzing threats, and suggesting instant tactical decisions faster than any human brain could. And third, manned-unmanned teaming, a feature that allows one pilot to command multiple autonomous drones at once. Together, these systems don't just create an aircraft, they create a flying ecosystem, one that thinks, reacts, and fights as a living, learning organism in the sky. If you're enjoying this deep dive into next-generation air power, hit like and subscribe. It costs nothing, but helps us keep creating content like this. Imagine a single Swedish pilot flying high above the Baltic Sea, surrounded by 3 or 4 autonomous combat drones. These drones scout enemy positions, jam radar systems, and even draw missile fire, acting as expendable shields while the manned jet stays safe. They can strike targets, perform electronic warfare, or sacrifice themselves mid-battle if needed. Each drone is sleek, supersonic, and modular, sharing components with Sweden's existing Gripen E. This smart compatibility means faster production, lower maintenance, and seamless teamwork between pilot and machines. A symphony of steel and code, moving with one shared mission. Sweden isn't trying to copy America or China. It's creating something uniquely built for its geography and strategy. The Flag System 2020's design philosophy is simple: mobility over magnitude. Its single-engine layout and dual-wing configuration provide both lift and precision at low speeds, allowing takeoffs from short runways and highways. In war, when large airbases become easy targets, these jets can launch from forest roads, frozen lakes, or narrow strips of asphalt. Sweden's design is survival-oriented, fast to deploy, hard to find, and impossible to predict. The Flag System 2020's airframe uses a blended wing-body design, where the fuselage seamlessly merges with the wings to scatter radar waves instead of reflecting them. Its twin vertical tails enable thrust vectoring, giving the jet extraordinary agility while maintaining a low radar cross-section. Advanced composites and multi-frequency radar-absorbent materials minimize detection, while heat-dispersing exhaust systems slash its infrared signature. Even the engine's sound profile is engineered for silence. Every curve, every angle exists for one purpose: to remain unseen until it strikes. Behind this ambitious project stands Saab, supported by a network of international suppliers like GKN Aerospace, which recently received major funding to expand advanced manufacturing for the Flag System 2020. Around 85% of components come from partner companies worldwide, yet Sweden keeps full design authority and intellectual property. This ensures no foreign power can restrict technology access or veto Sweden's defense decisions, a small nation's blueprint for total independence. Sweden isn't just building a jet, it's creating a system of systems, linking fighters, drones, satellites, and naval radars into one living network. Each unit shares real-time data, allowing the pilot to command like a battlefield strategist. The result? An intelligent, connected air force that strikes, defends, and adapts faster than any enemy can react. Right now, Sweden is already testing autonomous Gripen fighters, not remotely piloted, but AI-driven, capable of flying missions with minimal human input. Partnering with defense AI company Helsing, Saab is training algorithms to make tactical decisions mid-flight. These experiments lay the foundation for the loyal wingman drones that will fly beside the Flag System 2020 in future battles. As a NATO member, Sweden's Flag System 2020 could redefine air power across Northern Europe. The Baltic skies may soon be guarded by this stealth masterpiece, offering smaller allies like Finland, Poland, and Norway a shared, affordable 6th-generation platform. Beyond defense, it's a powerful export weapon, boosting alliances while cementing Sweden's position as Europe's quiet innovator. But ambition comes with challenges. Developing a 6th-generation fighter is one of the hardest, most expensive tasks in modern engineering. Advanced stealth coatings, AI integration, and drone coordination demand billions and time. Sweden's current contracts mark only the beginning. Technical issues, political debates, and budget constraints could easily delay progress beyond 2035. Yet despite these obstacles, Sweden is moving forward relentlessly, building prototypes, testing AI, and refining designs. Every milestone reached sends a clear message. This project isn't fantasy, it's happening. The frozen skies of Scandinavia are about to change forever. Sweden's Flag System 2020 isn't just another fighter jet. It's a statement that innovation doesn't require size, only vision. A small nation is quietly shaping the future of air combat, one prototype at a time. If you found this deep dive fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned as we follow Sweden's rise into the skies.